Hi guys, I'm Jamie from CARP Diaries. Today's little video is just a look at my new toy, which is a new bait boat. The syndicate that I'm on this year allows bait boats, so I thought why not? So I was looking round, and as you well know, bait boats are quite expensive. But if you're already subscribed to my channel and know me, you know I fish on a budget. So I looked around and I found this one. So I'm going to run you through and show you the bait boat, and I will drop the link for the bait boat, which was off Amazon, in the description. If you have any comments or questions, please drop them in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell so you don't miss another video. Hope you enjoy. Right, here we go guys. The Vary 100. As you can see, it comes with a carry bag. Inside you have a one-handed controller, one plug to charge the battery that's in the bait boat. You also have a charger to charge the remote. You have two spare propellers. You also have a thing to put around your neck to hold your remote, but the remote doesn't come with anywhere to clip that, so that bit is pretty useless. Oh, and an instruction manual. So inside we do have the bait boat. Seems quite sturdy, quite light. As you can see, I have used it once, and it's the smudgers. That is a waterproof seal. That is how you connect it. Just push the two wires together. Turn the aerial on. It's got a button to turn it on. As you can see, it's got 3 green lights and a red light to indicate the power that's in the battery. As you can see, I'm down to 2 bars, 2 green, before it goes dead. The lights on it are flashing at the minute because the remote is not turned on. If I just turn the remote on, and the lights go off, stop on. There is also room in there for a spare battery, which this didn't come with, but you can pick up online. There's a little carry handle that then folds down, and the hopper. The hopper should carry, or it says it carries, 1.5 kilos. I've not had 1.5 kilos in it yet, but that's what it says. As you can see, it has 2 LED blue lights at the back and 1 LED white light at the front. It also has a little rubber stopper on the front to drain any water that does get inside the hull. And 2 propellers underneath, which, as you can see, there's a left, right. Now, the controls are, as you can see, that's your forward, backwards, left and right. I think that one is the lights. Now that one, the bottom one, is the lights, to turn the lights on and off. I think that one's a spare, and that one's for the hopper. As you can tell, it is quite loud and it does look quite erratic. To reset the hopper, you just push it down when you get it back to the bank and pull the lever back over. Trust me when I say it does look quite erratic. when you pop the hopper, but when it's got bait in and a bit of weight in, it isn't as bad. Like I said, I have used this, which I will put a little video on in a minute, which I had out to roughly about 100 yards, something like that, without a problem. So I will put the video on now, and like I say, I will put the link for the boat in the description below. And any questions, please drop in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you.